Now people all of a sudden, we hear the same people then. What did I say? Vybz Kartel are going to remain behind the bars. Saying that when Vybz Kartel is released, his concert will be one of the biggest freedom concerts the world has ever seen. Seeing what is now taking place overseas with Buju Banton and the huge turnout of people who show up to support Buju Banton. Now we are the people who must say, prosecution now have a case. Prosecution not have enough evidence for retry or for get a retrial in the Vybz Kartel murder matter. Now let me go hear from Miss Kitty and then we'll continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Happiness is for some people. Happiness is for some people. So it was okay now to drag me all these years. Speak derogatorily about me. Berate me and say all kind of different something. You understand? Hate upon me because someone on the hate train. I don't even know why on the hate train. I don't even know why on the hate train. You just see something you follow. Just a follow. Thank you, my city pie. Just a follow. Out of no. Remember all one morning, them time I'm pregnant, I never know. I may dance to my gospel song because I went to my doctor and got a good report, you know. I may dance to my gospel song. Hear somebody under the comment. A time for go breathe now, a that time for go do and find man. I may look at me and say, God, you see all them chinky out of that God, them big eerie chinky. Me, I thank God for my blessing and I enjoy my little self. Me not trouble nobody, you know. Me not do nobody nothing. And here goes this man. I used to click on him picture. Oh, him out favor when cow tear down fence. Me I say, God, you see all them something here? And then, you know, it hurt me now. When you clap back and say the things them, oh, your body shaming. Oh, thing at all. Because some of them want to hate me so bad, but it's not really me you hate, you know, it's yourself you hate. Or you hate your father will abandon you, and your mother will put man before you, and your mother will put you on the ground for sleep on the banana trash, and put the man on the bed. And them trauma they will not carry, you know. And then when you see people, deflect it or project it on them because you don't know me from nowhere, me don't know you from nowhere, why you hate me, but someone just want to come on the hate train. So these bloggers know that that's how you all are. Some of you are, right? And so they splice the video conveniently at the clickbait part where they know it will get to know. And someone is so dense, you're not even look into it and say, wow, I wonder why should I say that, or in what context should I say that, or I wonder how that go. No, we do not do that. We do not give people the benefit of the doubt because we been one hate, we been one join the hate train, right? So I was talking about a comment that a woman made to me about my child, investigating as to why I have not posted her, right? And her next thing was to say, oh, and so I said, why do you want to see her, you know? Oh, because, oh, me want to see if I know she get, if her father knows or our mother knows. She never said, oh, the baby look, or, you know, I'm not getting my, you know, we support you, so we just want to see the baby or whatever. Why you pick on our nose? Why, what is it? My African features, I'm very happy about them. I love them. And if it bother me to the point where I feel like, oh, I want to fix it, I go fix it. My husband is of African extraction, of descent, and so am I. But someone hate on themselves so much that, oh, nose. And I'm like, guys, the nose argument, that's so old and stale. Right? One girl say, oh, something about mouth. I'm like, my mouth? I have beautiful teeth. I have beautiful lips. I'm supposed to talk out of a good clean mouth. Bless baby, yeah. I'm supposed to talk out of a good clean mouth. So when she said that, I deemed that as rude. I thought it was rather facetious. It never come off as nothing pleasant. It never come off as something good. Why would you say that? Oh, we want to see her nose. And her brain, or the lack thereof, couldn't even chip in to say, me don't make up something, but why we want to see it? We just want to see her biscuit, man. It was very rude and out of order. It was very obnoxious. Because I know exactly what she's getting at. But my baby must have my nose or her nose because she's in a jacket. And when people stand up for themselves and then a blogger will splice and then unaga put and say, oh, she a body shame. I wasn't body shaming her. And funny, I didn't utter what I was thinking. I thought to myself, wow, look at this lady asking me about my child's nose when she can hardly breathe through hers because she is morbidly obese. Her lungs are under pressure. our liver under pressure, our kidney under pressure. But yet still, I did not utter those words. I made it stay in my brain, and I just looked at her. I literally just looked at her. Because I said, then this can't real. This can't really now. You are worried about my baby nose, and you can hardly breathe through yours. You have more important things about which to think. I'm very proud and very happy that God has blessed me, right? With a baby, with a family, with a husband. And we're going to celebrate the happiness. Because guess what? When they drag me and done me. By the way, let me just make this unequivocally clear. On Friday, I was sharing with you guys an incident, right? I don't body shame. I don't join that. I don't join that. But also remember this. And a shackleberry fin run through my vein, nor pure bulk syrup. I know shackleberry fin or pure bulk syrup run through my veins, right? I'm gonna have feelings like everybody else. I was giving, and what I don't like, it is disingenuous for some bloggers, vloggers, whatever they call themselves, to splice a video without giving proper context. Because I understand a clickbait and when you just waffle, you know, make the people them click on, and true no says enough of them have quarter.
Because big up Buju Banton. Glad to see the turnout and the support way. You know what I mean? America show too. Reggae music is a good reminder to music fans that all over the world, people still love and appreciate reggae and dancehall music. Now, with that being said, the people must say, we are days away from Vybz Kartel being released. And then I look forward to seeing one of the biggest freedom concerts the world has ever seen. And listen about if Vybz Kartel concert are bigger than Buju Banton concert. Some people have too much competition, especially unnecessary competition. What we are talking about is the fact that music, especially dancehall music, I look forward to something like this. A long time when I have a situation or a cause in a dancehall music, everybody can rally around. Now as it pertains to the case, I'm going to say, what did they? The appeal court judges say, this is the reason why we are granted a retrial. Remember, after any ruling or decision where they make, they have to also not necessarily say justify, because they make the ruling, but explain why, you know, and how them forward to the conclusion there. So not really justified. You know what I mean? I just an explanation so it can be documented. I'm not sure what they lean towards to say you are the reason why. We already hear them say a retrial within itself would be a violation of the appellant's rights. The only thing is that violation in the best interest of justice, so to say. That's what them that term it. Them that say, oh, even though it's a violation of rights, it's because of this is in the best interest of justice, so that justice can be served. But would that be so? Now we also hear the prosecution say, because one thing, even if a retrial is granted, means the appeal court agrees that there should be a retrial. You don't know when it will start. No? They don't know when it would have started. So what the prosecution says that, since they don't know when it would have started, they might recommend that all the appellants be granted bail. And if the case take 2 and 3 years and 4 years for start, the appellants would at least be out on bail, so they won't be behind the bars while they might wait upon the court's decision to decide if there would or will be a retrial. But would that be a solution to the remedy of their rights being violated? Nobody know. Because if you ask the appellants themselves, they're going to say, what they want is for this to be over with. Them no want no retrial on the matter. Attorneys also say, we're going to pay for it. It will be a costly process. It not go free and it not go cheap. So we're going to pay for it. What them do? Assume say, hey, because Vybz Kartel carry the matter to the Privy Council, him can pay for it. Or because the government was ordered to pay him back the money we him spent on the Privy Council. And that's why them assume say, yeah man, for retrial is granted, him can afford it, man. Because him not get the money from when him spent on the appeal court. It will look to the people like I want them on by the money. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just a pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section of 24/7, it never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, a quick recap. Buju Banto concert overseas. Draw a crowd, the most Jamaicans did surprise. You see, when they see the footage over social media. Now the people are saying Vybz Kartel concert would also be another legendary moment in a Jamaican music history. As the Privy Council, as the appeal court has no case. Vybz Kartel already won in Privy Council appeal. People are anticipating a release for Vybz Kartel. Tell me what you think. Not to the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.